here.
That's all right. You're under
No,
arrest.
I didn't get my stuff.
I'm under arrest.
Oh, I'm not resisting. I'm not resisting.
His wife, she had nothing to do with it. Yeah, he came in here. Give me a second. You're not letting me talk.
Okay, let me talk.
I'll let you talk again. I'm done talking with you, all right? No.
And I just want to wait for my mom. I want to wait till my
We're not
mom
waiting
gets
for your mom.
At a Walmart store, a routine day took a dramatic turn when two women, along with a baby, were caught shoplifting. The store's security team noticed the women working together, one acting as a lookout while the other tried to hide items from the store. Suspicious of their actions, the store employees called the police. When the officers arrived, they followed the women to the restroom, where they tried to confront them about the stolen items.
10-4, that's 2239.
Boynton Beach Police Department.
So Laura's calling.
Boynton Beach Police Department.
I'm sorry?
Boynton Beach Police Department.
Okay.
Come on, ma'am. We need you to step on out, all right?
I'm sorry?
Step on out. You're concealing items. You're under arrest.
No, I'm not.
Yes, ma'am, you are.
I just saw these items in here. I was just looking like, what the fuck? These are my items
All
here.
right. That's all right. You're under
No,
arrest.
I didn't get my stuff.
I'm under arrest.
Raina! Raina! Oh, I'm not resisting. I'm not resisting. I'm not concealing items. These items are paid for. Raina! Raina! I'm not concealing items, sir. Please, I need to call my friend. Raina! Raina!
Stop resisting or you're gonna get tased.
Resisting.
Give me your
I'm
hand.
not resisting.
Give me your hand.
I'm not resisting.
Ma'am.
Hey, put away the taser, grab her arm. Give us your hand, you're gonna get tased. Give us your hand. You're gonna get tased.
Raina! Raina, please come get Noah. They're arresting me. Raina! Come get Noah. I don't know why they're arresting me, bro. Please come get Noah. Come to the bathroom, bro. Stop. Stop, bro. Stop.
Stand up.
Stop.
Stand up.
Hey, stand up.
Stand up.
Stand up. Stand up, you're making things worse.
Okay, wait.
You're gonna get more charges, just stand up.
I'm trying. I gotta pull my pants up, please. Wait, she needs to come get my baby. She needs to come get my baby. She needs to come get my baby. She needs to come get my baby.
Stop spitting. You're gonna get another charge.
She needs to get my baby. I'm not walking out here without my baby.
Let's go.
Why are you arresting me?
Hey, don't stop.
Stop, bro. Stop.
Hold on.
My nephew's over there.
I understand
I'm coming,
that.
Adore. I'm
You're
coming.
with them. You're with them. Just sag and tie for us. She's gonna come. They're gonna talk to you also.
I'm coming,
all right?
Adore. I'm coming, friend.
She's
I'm
coming
coming.
out. And
You're
they're gonna
coming
talk
out.
to you, all
Hold
right?
on. Stop. Are you gonna come get my jit, bro? Come on. Come get my jit. I'm not leaving without you getting my jit. Can she come get my jit? My child.
The child.
He's in there with me. No,
Let's go.
she needs to come get him. She needs to come get him. No, I need to see him walk out of here. Can I please just see him walk out of here? No, I need to see him.
Come on, let's go.
I'm right here. They're gonna give me Noah. I'm right here.
Hold on.
No, y'all gotta give me my kid. Y'all can't do that.
Listen.
Y'all are gonna give me my kid.
That's what's
I'm not
gonna
putting my
happen.
hands on y'all. I'm not touching
Okay,
y'all. So
that's
you can
what's
go get
gonna
my
happen.
kid. Okay, then I'm gonna go
You don't make
retrieve my
orders
kid.
here. We're here
I
because
don't know
you guys
who-
are doing stuff in the store, right?
Doing what?
We don't
Trying to
get
pay for
caught.
some shit?
Okay.
What you talking about?
You
Don't
can
come at
argue
me
if
like
you
that.
want.
Don't come at me like
We can
that.
detain
You want
you if
to
you want.
check my purse? Because I don't got
You
shit.
want to hang out? You want
Can't
to
do
relax,
shit.
or I can put you in
can't do
handcuffs and
nothing.
deny you.
No, you can't do nothing. Noah,
Alright.
come here.
One of the women immediately denied any wrongdoing, insisting that she had paid for everything. But the officers weren't convinced. As they attempted to handcuff her, she started to resist, saying she was pregnant and pleading with the officers to let her go.
Do not move again. If you move again, you're
I'm
All
pregnant.
right,
You
put your
can.
hand behind you.
Excuse me?
relax.
Excuse me?
Relax.
I'm pregnant and you're putting your
Relax.
hands on me.
Relax.
Please let go of me.
Relax.
I will
You're going to
cooperate with you
court
guys.
right
Please
now,
let go of me.
Let go.
Please let go
Let
of
go
me.
the phone.
Like you guys are literally putting me in handcuffs for nothing.
So you think? Put your hand behind your back.
You guys do realize you're putting me in handcuffs for nothing, right?
Hey, little man, come here. Come here, Bubba.
The situation quickly became tense as the woman tried to pull away from the police, refusing to cooperate and demanding that someone take care of the baby.
Where's
Have a
my
seat.
child, please?
Have a seat.
No, I need my child.
Have a seat. You're resisting.
I'm not resisting. How am I resisting? I'm not fighting. I don't want to sit.
Sit down.
Sir,
Sit down.
do I have to?
Yes, you
I
have
don't
to.
want to. Like, you guys got me in handcuffs for no reason right now. This is crazy as hell. This is crazy right now. Raina, I got you, Adore. I got you, bro. I got you. Noah's right here next to me, right here.
Put her over there. Put her in the car.
Bro, give me my nephew, bro. Like, you guys got me in handcuffs for no reason. This is crazy.
The police officers, determined to complete the arrest, warned the woman that if she didn't stop resisting, they might have to use a taser on her. Despite their warnings, the woman continued to struggle, leading the officers to restrain her more forcefully. Throughout the ordeal, the woman was worried about her child, fearing that the Department of Children and Families, DCF, would take her baby away if she was arrested.
I need to know who is going to come get my child. No! How's DCF going to come get my child? Y'all just told me his grandmother would come. I need to call his grandma to come get him. I'm not letting him go to DCF, bro. No, y'all got me up. No, y'all said y'all was going to let me get his grandma. I'm not going, bro. Okay, can I sit? Can I sit?
Amid the chaos, this woman requested medical help, claiming she was in pain and feeling anxious. The officers called for an ambulance to check on her condition. Eventually, the woman was taken into custody, where she later admitted to stealing scrubs from the store because she needed them for a new job. She was charged with child abuse, retail theft, and resisting arrest without violence. The crime the woman committed is known as retail theft, which means taking items from a store without paying for them. This is against the law in Florida, where the incident occurred. Specifically, she violated Florida Statute 812.015, which makes it illegal to steal from a store. Retail theft is a serious crime, and although the charges against her were eventually dropped, stealing can lead to significant legal consequences, including arrest and possible jail time. Now, let's move on to number 2, when teens think they can steal from Walmart without consequences. In a busy Walmart store, 2 teenagers, both 18 years old, thought they could get away with something they knew was wrong. They grabbed some items, including clothing and cosmetics, and walked right past the checkout lanes without paying. Maybe they thought no one would notice, but store security was watching. As they tried to leave, they were stopped by a security guard who had seen them pass the points of sale with unpaid items. The teens were surprised when they were caught.
The only reason why I called you is because the time while I was in there, the male was refusing to give his name.
Okay. Now, what are you guys gonna do?
Prosecute because of cold.
Gotcha.
Okay. But not in yet.
What's going on?
You should have got his name, he would have been out, but I don't have all days babysitting. So I'm gonna get a receipt and I tell my husband, I don't know what happened.
Gotcha.
Well, I stopped these 2 at the grocery side. La suerte, hold on, sir. El suerte.
Anything else?
No, that's it.
Did you check the Legos and make sure the barcode matches?
Yeah, I stopped him going out the grocery doors. Okay. Because I saw him put on a sweater and trying to leave the store with him. And I found the bag products here in the toy section, this regular Walmart bag. And yeah, this young man said he's 18 and that she's 17, and he didn't want to give me his name, and he said he has no ID.
Gotcha.
But I'm not around here.
Anywhere you go, you can get an ID. It's not a matter of fact whether you need it.
But it's
You got your license over there and things like that. You had to.
But I told him that I can't pay for the stuff that he does.
I mean, we passed that point. You know, once you guys passed all points of sale,
I know, but it's the first time because I never get arrested before.
it don't matter if it's the first time, second time, or third time. So
I know I was wrong. I know. And
But
I say
over
sorry to him.
there, you're a minor till you're 21. So
okay,
you know,
well,
we don't
we're
really
here in
need it.
We're here in the United States. So
We don't really need
But I'm
it.
still a minor, right? 'Cause
you're 18?
yeah.
No, you're an adult, brother.
At first, They didn't want to cooperate. One of them even refused to give their name. But the situation became serious when a police officer arrived. The officer explained that even though the items might not seem expensive, taking anything without paying is a crime. The teens realized they were in real trouble. During the conversation with the officer, the teens admitted that they knew what they were doing was wrong. One of them tried to defend themselves by saying they had forgotten they were holding a jacket when they walked out of the store. But it was clear that both of them knew the plan was to take the items without paying for them.
Now, did we see both of them go out the store with the... did they both were complicit in it, or what happened?
Well, she had a hoodie in her hand, and he had the bag with the other products.
Okay.
I'll be so honest, we had so many stuff, I literally forgot I had the freaking jacket on my hand. Like, because it was so, like, I only had the level one. Because we had a lot of stuff.
That's stealing. It was just me. Like, she didn't do nothing.
Well, I'm gonna see how much stuff do they have.
Can I pay for that?
Can you pay for that? Like I said, we're past that point. It's whatever Walmart wants to do. All right.
Despite their regrets and offers to pay for the items, it was too late. The store had decided to press charges, which meant that the police had to arrest the teens.
But the main reason I'm here is because they're saying that, you guys stole some items. So, just give me 1 second.
Well, we didn't start. We didn't know. So.
Well, here's the deal. It is counted as retail theft if you pass all points of sale. So, I don't know if you can see this screen right here, but you see these little markers? You see these little markers right here?
Yeah.
If you pass those points right there and you didn't pay for those items, that's stealing. That is retail theft. It don't matter if you pass those and you drop it.
Yeah, but
that's still stealing. I won't argue with you about what stealing is. I know what the statute is, brother. I've been working here.
I'm never gonna do it.
10-4, thank you.
Literally, I'm going to the Navy.
Okay, that's fine. You can go to the Navy. But that's not gonna listen. That's not even gonna wash away exactly what happened tonight. So I'm just gonna be honest with you, brother.
They were upset and worried, especially when they learned they would have to go to court. One of them was particularly concerned because they wanted to join the Navy, and now they didn't know if this incident would ruin that dream.
Gotcha. I'm gonna let you know right now that if you give me the wrong information, if you tell me a fake name and I find that it's a fake name, that's gonna be an extra charge. Okay?
It's not a fake name.
I believe you. I'm saying I believe you right now, but if I go look you up and I don't find you, now we got problems. Bigger problems, okay? What about you, sweetheart? What's your name?
You want me to just write it?
I got you. Are you 17? You're 18 as well? Okay, so y'all both adults. Okay, cool.
Here, I guess.
Yeah, y'all both adults. Yeah. I was under the impression you guys were 17. Well, you were 17 and he's 18. That's what I was under the impression of. But if you're both 18, you're both adults right here. So I'm doing a criminal history check on y'all right now. I found you. You've had prior history with police before? Have you? You ever been Baker acted?
What?
Baker acted?
Oh, one time, but
okay. That's all I gotta know. Yeah.
Not that my mom. I didn't want to go to an appointment with my.
Yeah. That's fine.
No,
I didn't find
story.
you.
That's crazy.
No, he's a good guy. I didn't find you though. This is brand new. So here's the deal. It doesn't matter how expensive the material is. You can go in there and steal an 85-cent piece of candy. And if they call us, that's still a theft because you're depriving the business of one of their products. I know it sounds silly, like, yeah, okay, wow, 85 cents, whatever. But at the end of the day, you still stole. That is a crime in and of itself. So as long as this, let me do my investigation, I'll conclude what I got to do, and we'll go from there, okay?
Before the teens were taken away, the officer explained what would happen next. They would see a judge who would review their case and decide what would happen. This could include future court dates and possibly more serious consequences. The officer reminded them that what they did wasn't just a small mistake. It was something that could have a big impact on their lives.
It's a hurdle right now and it sucks. But I won't lie to you, bro. I was the same way when I was your age. I've been there, I've done that. So I get where you're coming from too, brother. All right. 7-10. Go ahead, take a seat.
Tranquilo, okay, amor, en todo momento.
10-15, 2 times, reference signal 63.
Okay? Tranquilo,
Hey,
mañana
one second, buddy. I'm gonna turn the car for you. No.
Can I just want to wait for my mom. I want to wait till my
We're not
mom
waiting
gets
for your mom, okay? Turn around. I'm not
Okay, okay,
Don't
can you give
resist.
this? ¿Le puedes dar esto a mi suegra entonces? ¿Se lo puedes dar a mi suegra?
We give it to her right now, okay? But don't resist, all right? You're gonna get an extra charge if you do.
The crime the teens committed is known as retail theft, which means taking items from a store without paying for them. In this case, they violated the law by passing the checkout area with unpaid goods, which is considered stealing under the law. Specifically, they violated the state's theft statute, which makes it illegal to take someone else's property without permission, with the intent to keep it for themselves, which applies to stealing goods worth less than a certain amount, often $300. Even though the items they tried to steal weren't worth much, the law doesn't tolerate stealing, no matter how small the value. Today, we saw how shoplifting sisters face dramatic consequences when caught at Walmart, and how some teens mistakenly believe they can steal without repercussions. Remember, theft always comes with a price. 805, thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more.